Tired of construction projects feeling more like chaotic puzzles and smooth operations? Let's transform that chaos into clarity with Buildertrend. First, log into your Buildertrend account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free trial on their website. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard, which gives you a high-level overview of all your projects. To navigate to a specific project, use the Project Selection drop-down menu at the top of the screen. This will give you access to everything related to that build. Daily logs are your project's diary. Here, you can document weather conditions, track completed tasks, and record any issues that arise. Consistent daily logs are crucial for clear communication and mitigating disputes. To add a new entry, click at Log and fill out the required information. The Schedule tool is the heart of project management. This is where you build out a complete project timeline. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set dependencies, and track progress. Click the plus icon to add new tasks, and drag and drop them to adjust the schedule. Change orders are inevitable in construction. Buildertrend helps you manage them effectively. Document any changes to the original scope of work, including cost and schedule implications. To create a new change order, click Add Change Order and fill in the details. This keeps clients informed and prevents budget surprises. Reporting provides valuable insights into project performance. You can generate reports on various aspects, such as budget versus actual costs, schedule adherence, and outstanding invoices. These reports help you identify potential problems early on and make data-driven decisions. And that's a quick tour of Buildertrend's core features. By using these tools effectively, you can streamline your operations, improve communication, and ultimately build better projects. Now go build something amazing.